Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play endless driving simulators on your browsers only. So you can try to open slowroads.io. Here we go, Slowroads endless driving Zen. So you can click begin. WASD for drive, Q and E change settings, C change camera, F to toggle auto drive. Here we go, and this is the option like road bike, and this is for the winter the season. You can try to change the season, and also this one is like road complexity scene. You can try to change it, and here we go. This is slowroads.io. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.